We do a lot of work with university students and college students, but we don't really get a lot of high school students. So this is cool to see how a high school student sees the world a little bit differently than somebody who's already in the pathway or the career path to getting into the industry. So it's a little bit different where you're trying to show them a lot more, it's a lot more hands-on for them than it is about showing them how theory actually is implemented in the field. It's fun coming to work and seeing how every day you're doing something different that's changing the environment you're in, whether it's the site or even the community, right? You're building something for the future.
Memorable project would probably be because for electricians, we worked on there was a lot of pipes because we are setting up and screwing them in. I would say that was probably a memorable moment for me because the guy I was working with, we talked a lot. It was a fun experience. Probably the funnest experience I've had so far. It's I got to do some of it myself, so when I saw it, the finished product, it was amazing to me.
It's about finding stuff that you're passionate about, right? So if you're passionate about millwork or you're passionate about electrical, then doing this program really helps you understand what your avenues are. How are you going to get into that role? How are you going to further develop your skill sets?